Model, 69-plate Citroen Relay 35 L2H2 BlueHDi 140 6-speed Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 66,714. MOT, the 13th of March 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BlueHDi 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will eventually start but, bottom end bearings are knocking, the engine will need repair and go replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 10